Morning, everybody. Once again, Dr. Salim is here with you guys. Let's discuss some more questions to make our SPI examination sure that we can pass it on the first attempt. And let's practice some more questions. Let me share the screen with you guys and discuss some more questions. And let's see, what do you think about these questions? Just in case if you have, what are the exam and they can ask you these questions. So the question is asking that, what do you think? Bistable image is also as known as which of the following? So what do you think? Think about the question and give me the correct answer. I know you can do it. Like if you have only one number in a pixel, either it's a 0 or 1. So if it's just bistable only, so what do you think? Exactly, high contrast resolution. This will be the correct answer. Exactly, that will be the one. Absolutely correct. Okay, now let's do the next question and let's see what is the question asking for. Okay, so the question is, which of the following knob is used to change the contrast of an image? It's from the knobology. This question maybe you can face this question in ARDMS or maybe interview questions somewhere. Maybe one of your students may ask you that question if you're a trainer. So what do you think? The contrast of image can change with which? Choose the best option. That's the question, okay? Look for the best option. What do you think? I'm also agree with you. It is called dynamic range because with the dynamic range, we can change the contrast of image because either you want all shades of gray or you want just the very bright shades of gray and no shades of gray. So you want like a very hyper-aqueous reflection and unequated reflection. So this will make the picture more sharper, correct? So all the fluid field structures, we should play with dynamic range to make our image more sharper, correct? Okay, next question. With a low contrast image, image is an image which display many shades of gray. Like it's asking for, we have two type of shades of contrast, correct? High contrast, low contrast. It's saying, the question is basically asking that if we want to have a low contrast image, so we should have many shades of gray, like a lot of shades of gray the picture is made of. Is that true or false? What do you think actually? Or none of the above? Or only B is correct? So like, just be careful with this type of questions. What do you think? Exactly, correct. It's true. If you want to have a low contrast image, so in that case, you have to have many shades of gray. Like you want all the low level echoes, high level echoes, amplitude smaller, bigger, so everything we want actually, correct. Let's do this question. Now, how many shades of gray would be produced if the ultrasound machine is using or use a 2-bit system? This is correct. This is very simple, easy question. What do you think? First of all, we should know the formula, right? For the shades of gray. I remember I told you guys, for the shades of gray, the formula is 2 at the power of n. N is the bit system. So now here's 2-bit system. So 2 at the power of 2 is exactly is the correct answer. It's 4. Absolutely correct. Okay, let's do this question. Which of the following is the smallest amount of ultrasound machine memory? So what do you think? Correct. I'm also agree. That is called bit, B-I-T, bistable. Absolutely correct. Either it will place 1 or 0. 1 for the hyper-echoic structure, 0 for anechoic structure, correct? How many shades of gray would be produced if the ultrasound machine is using 4-bit system? Now that was 2-bit system, now this is 4. If we can answer that question, the previous question, I think this will more easier because you already practiced that one, correct? So what do you think? Which one will be the correct answer? Exactly. 2 at the power of 4 will come to 16 shades of gray. Absolutely correct answer. Good job. Next. How many shades of gray would be produced if the ultrasound machine is using an 8-bit system? So now 2 is in the power of 8. So 8 times 2, like we can say 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2. So 8 times it will go. So yes, after your calculation, that is the correct number, 256. That is correct. That will be the shades of gray a picture is made of. Correct. Next. Okay. So let's see what is the question. Pixel interpolation is possible with which shape of ultrasound images? We cannot do always interpolation of the pixel, but with some images, it's possible. So what do you think? Which image shape will give us that option to do our pixel interpolation? Yes, you absolutely right. It's a sector shape image. That is possible to do the interpolation of the pictures. Okay. Now, digital to analog converter process is used in which of the following display? You guys understand we have different displays, right? So if our system is need analog to digital to analog converter, the digits, the 1 and 0 should be changed to the analog, to the electricity, to the power. So which type of display will need that type of digital to analog conversion? Yes, CRT, cathode ray tube, absolutely correct. The big TVs, the huge TVs, they will need, because they only understand electricity, power. The electric pulses they understand. They don't know the digitization. They don't know zeros and ones in the pixels. Okay. What is the best option for pre-processing definition? Like, what is the definition actually for the pre-processing? What do you think? Which answer is the correct answer? Before freeze, action in a real-time imaging, any actions before image storage to the temporary memory or matrix? Correct. All of the above, because they're all the same thing. So in this case, this is the correct answer because all of them are in a real time, in a pre-processing. Correct. Okay, let's do this question. Good job. Now, all the following are the examples of pre-processing, except now we should know what is a post-process, what is a pre-process, correct? So there are 5 answers. One answer is not in a pre-process. That is actually post-process. So which one is that post-process? We are looking for post-process. I know the question is asking all following are the examples of pre-processing. Now you're looking for post-process. Which one is not from pre-process? So it means that's a post-process. So which one is that? Easy. Correct. 3D and 4D imaging. 3D, 4D imaging, we think it's in a real time. Yes, that is in a real time, but you see, when you watch or see the pictures on the display, that actually had another process on them. All the 2D slices become together, and then after that, the machine will give you on the display. So there is a process on them. So that is actually not in a real time. After real time, it will process the image. It will all collect the 2D imaging and will give you a volume imaging. So on that case, we can see. So you have height, width, and length of the image. And 4D is the time. The 4th dimension is actually the timing. So you see that's also catch with the picture. So this is actually, we can say that is a post-process. It's not a pre-process. It looks like it's a pre, but it's not. Okay. Which of the following is a post-process activity? So what do you think? Now this is a simple, easy question. Very simple, because look at the above and below question, they are exactly the same. So now we're looking for the post-process actually. So exactly 3D, 4D is the post-process. Just we had it in this question, but that was looking for exception, and here we are looking for exactly for that answer. So that is the correct answer. Let's do next question. All the following are actions are count for post-process, except now these are the actions. There are 3 actions which are from post-process, but there is one action which is not post-process. That's a pre-process actually. It's before the freezing. What do you think? Exactly correct. Right magnification is pre-processing. It's not post-processing because you have to zoom the picture in the real time, in imaging going on, not before the freezing. So before you make the picture frozen, so it has to be in the real time. And these three are, you can do it in a post-process. But right magnification, it has to be in the real time, right? Next question. Okay, so let's see what it says. All the following are related to read magnification except. Now, there are three answers which are in a real time. One answer is related to the post process. What do you think? Okay, all of the following are the read magnification except. Read, remember. Exactly correct. A is the correct answer because it says pixel size change. And the read magnification, pixel size change. That is correct. Now we're looking for exception. My bad. This is the correct answer. Number of pixels increases. In a read magnification, pixel size are not changing. Keep in mind. My bad. I'm sorry. So the correct answer is the number of pixels increases. The number of pixels will increase in a read magnification, not in a read magnification. Read magnification is like in your cell phones. You have a picture and you just zoom it. When you zoom the picture, it means you stretch the picture. The pixels are size is getting bigger. So pixel size change on that one on the read one. But in a right magnification, so you zoom the picture first and then you take the picture after that. So that's a difference. Keep in mind, that's a little bit difference between two, okay? So this is the correct answer. The number of pixels increase not in a read magnification, it's in the right magnification. So that's why exception is this answer. That's the exception, correct? Because that goes for the right magnification. The A, C, and D, they all go for the read magnification, but the number of pixel size increase, that goes for the right magnification, correct? Okay, read magnification can be done on which of the following? Frozen image, live image, both, none of the above. What do you think? Read magnification, not right magnification. Yes, exactly. It has to be done by the store image, the image which is already taken. That is the correct answer. So it has to be old study, not a new study. Okay, let's do these questions. Okay, now read magnification is a pre-processing. Is this true or is this false? What do you think? Read magnification is pre-processing. Is this true? Exactly, that is false. Read magnification is not pre-processing. That is post-processing. So false. Okay. All the following are the processing of right magnification except. So there are three things which are related to right magnification. One is post-processing. One is read magnification, not right magnification. Which one is that? Pixel number stays the same, needs new data, live image, pre-processing. So everything is right magnification. One thing is read magnification. What do you think? Exactly, A is the correct answer because in a right magnification, the number of pixels will also change because when you zoom a picture, all the pixels will come to the zoom area when you're zooming, region of interest. So on that case, this is actually, we can say exception. It says stay the same, it change, it increase the numbers. So this is for post process, or we can say this is for read magnification, right? Which of the following is an example of right magnification? What do you think? Pre-processing, new data, higher number of the pixels, better temporal resolution, all of the above. What do you think? I think this is an easy question now because everything is already, discussed in above questions. Exactly all of the above. This is the correct answer. Absolutely correct answer. It says all the following, or which of the following is the example of? Now, pre-processing is the example of the right magnification, new data, like a real-time live picture, higher number of the pixels, that is correct, better temporal resolution. All of them are right magnification, absolutely correct. Two more questions for this session. Let me print the two questions for you guys. Okay, so there are the questions. With right magnification, spatial resolution improves. Is this true or false? Right magnification. Correct. It is true. Absolutely true. Temporal resolution increase. So we can say frame rate increase. So that's why the spatial resolution also improved. All right. Larger pixel size will find in which of the following data? Size of the pixel will stretched. So what do you think? Is it right magnification? Is it read magnification? Is it both of them are the same? Is it none of the above? Yes, due to all explanation, we will say read magnification. It means when you open an old study, like a picture in your cell phone or somewhere, or any study you had it already in ultrasound, and now you zoom it after that area was taken picture, in a frozen picture, and a picture from the memory of the machine, and you zoom it. The patient is not with you right now. It's just the patient's study. And when you zoom it, then we can say the pixel size will increase. It will become bigger and larger. Absolutely correct. Okay, my dear listeners, those who are watching these videos. So if you think, again, these are good information for you, for somebody who you know that he or she is in this field, if they're practicing or if they're studying for their ARDMS or CCI examinations, I believe these questions and their explanation will help them a lot. Because if you want to sit for any of registry examination, if it's a national or international examination, any exam, these review questions will help you a lot. But keep in mind, share the channel with them and tell them to subscribe for upcoming notification. Thanks a lot. Take care and see you on the next session. Take care.